everyone. In this class today we will do the first exercise and the second exercise we did in the live class. Okay, that is about 1A. It's about place value and face value and the expanded notation, and here we will do 1B also revision. Okay, now we will know about place value. What is a place value? So here I wrote one number 2547. Suppose this number, you have to write the place value of this number, means we have to write where the number is, okay, which place it is sitting. So we will do like this: 1, 10, 100. So you can see the 5 is in the hundreds place. So you have to write, if you have to write the place value of this number, then you will write 500, or in words we can write 5. Okay, 500 like this. The same number we will take 2547. If you have to write the face value of this number, suppose same number we have taken 5, you have to write the face value of this number, means the place where it is sitting, it is sitting in the hundreds place. Okay, and the number, what is the number? It's 5. If the number is 5, then 5 is the face value of that number. Okay, so this is about place value and face value. Then we have expanded notation. The same number we will take for this expanded notation: 2547. So if you have to write in expanded notation, means we will write like this. Suppose 2 is in 1, 10, 100, 1000. So we will write 2000. 5 is in the 100 place, we will write 500. And 4 in the tens place means 40. Then 7 is in the ones place, means 7. So this is the expanded notation of this number. Exercise 1A, first question is, give the place value of the colored digit. So here it is, the underlined digit. So we have to write the place value of this number, as I have shown you how to take out place value. So here again I will show you. See here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So 9 is sitting in the lakhs place. So the place value of this number is 9 lakh. Okay, this is the answer. And the question number remaining you can do yourself. The second question is, give the word form of the expanded notation for these words. So for these words we have to write it in expanded notation. So as I show you how to do, so you will see the first number is in which place: 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So it's, you can write 60 lakh. First you have to write in expanded notation 60 lakh, then 7 lakh. So 7 lakhs we will write. Then we have 9,000. It is 0 in a 10,000 place. 0 is there, so you can write 0 here. And then we have 9,000 there. We will write here 9,000. Then we have 600. Tens place 5, so it's 50 and 4. Or we can do it without, if you feel lazy to count all this for ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like that, you will see this first number. Okay, the first number, and remaining numbers you can put 0. Okay, so here first is in the 10 lakhs place, so here also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 zeros will be there. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. Okay, this is another way you can find it easily, or you can count like this and you can find out. So this is the number we are writing in the expanded form. And the question number 3 is, give the standard numeral form, means it is given in expanded form and you have to write in standard form. So this question, the answer will be like this. You have to make it, write these numbers together. So for this you can see here 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 4 crore. Then we have 60 lakhs. So 60 lakhs is there, then again here 5 lakhs, so 65 lakhs, then 40,000 and 200. So if you feel uncomfortable to write like this, or if you have confusion to write like directly like this, or you can do one thing, you can make one table like this. Like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So first one is 4 crore, so you can place the 4 here. Then this is 60 lakhs, so you can put the in the 10 lakhs place 6, and 5 lakh in the lakhs line 5. Then we have 40,000 means 4 10,000, so here we will write. Then we have 100 200, so here we will write. Okay, and the remaining places we will put 0. So you can see 4 crore, 65 lakhs, 40,000, 200. Okay, now we will do 1B. So 1B already we did it in live classes, so I will explain you again about this. So first question, see how many ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s and lakhs are there in number 8 lakh. The question is 8 lakh, in 8 lakh how many thousands are there, how many ones are there, how many tens are there, how many hundreds are there, how many thousands are there, how many 10,000s are there. Okay, so to find this answer you can go to page number 11. Okay, page number 11, the same question example is given in 3 lakhs. Okay, here it is 8 lakhs and example is given as 3 lakh. So you can do from there, and also I'll show you in 8. So ones means this part. Okay, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So one is here, isn't it? So if you have to find how many ones are there in 8 lakhs, then you will write 8 lakh ones are there. Okay, understand? The same if it comes to how many tens are there. So one you will decrease. Okay, one number you will decrease and it will comes like how many tens are there. Then 80,000 tens are there. Ones means 80,000 tens are there. Okay, then hundreds. So 8,000 hundreds are there. Then if you have to, how many thousands are there, then 800 thousands. Then how many 10,000s, then 80 10,000s there. And how many lakhs are there last? So you can say 8 lakhs are there in 8 lakh. Okay, that is question number 1. Question number 2 is write in figure with comma. So this question 8,39,023. So this question if you have to write in number. So some students used to do like this. That's why I am showing you 8 lakhs. 8 they will write 39. Then 39,023. They will write just like this, but this one is wrong. Okay, so to do this you have to make a chart. Okay, you have to make a table like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So 8 lakhs. So you will write this 8 here. Okay. Then we have 39,000. So 30 means 30, isn't it? 39, 3 and 9. So 3 will be in the tens place, 9 will be in the thousands place. Then 23, 20 is tens place 2 and 3 will be here. Okay. The remaining place we have to put 0 where there is no number. So you compare this one and that one. See, here we got, if you count like this now, we will get 83,923. If we write like directly whatever is given without making chart, then this one will be wrong. Here you see 8,39,023. The correct answer is this one. If you write directly like this without making a table, then answer will be wrong. Okay, so you always follow this table. You write the table, then you solve this question. So answer is 8,39,023. So remaining you have to do yourself. Then question number 3 is compare using greater than, less than or equal to symbol. So to do this, you have to see the first digit. If both the side the number is same, then go to the second digit. So second here 8, here 7. So 8 is greater than 7. So this side is greater. So like that way, if the second digit is also same, you will go to the next digit. Okay, you follow like that. Then question number 4. Question number 4, I will do question number B for that. Okay, see, make the smallest and greatest 7-digit number. So from here we have to make smallest and greatest 7-digit number. I have selected this question because 0 is there. Sometimes you make mistake in doing this type of question. If 0 is there, you used to write in the first, if the smallest number, if the greatest number, you used to write in the last. So some confusions are there. That's why I have selected this question. To make smallest number, the smallest digit is 0. Okay, but if we put 0 in the first digit, then the digit will become 6 digit. Okay, so how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are there. If we put 0 in the first, then what happens? It will become 6-digit number. So we cannot put 0 in the first digit. So after that, the smallest digit is 1. So we will put 1 in the first place. Okay. After that, we can put 0. Okay. Then we have 4. Then we have 6. Then 7. So 1, 0, 4, 6, 7. 7 twice. So we will write one more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 4 is, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 is left. So here 9. So it becomes smallest 7-digit number. So if you want to write this one again, greatest number. So we will reverse it. We will write from that side like 9, 7, 7, 6, 4. But here we will write 1 first, then we will write 0. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 digits. This is the smallest number and this is the greatest number. Question number 5 is make the smallest and greatest possible 8-digit number by repeating the digit. So here only 7 digits are given and we have to make 8-digit numbers. So 8-digit number, smallest and greatest. Okay. So to do this, we have to do like this. Smallest first I will write and greatest. So the smaller number here is 1. Okay. So to make smallest number, because only 7 digits are there, we have to make 8 digits. So we will write this 1 twice. Okay. Then next smaller is 2. Then next smaller is 3. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 digits here. Okay. And to make greatest number, the greater number 9, that number we will repeat twice. Then remaining one, others will remain same. 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. In to make smallest number, the smaller number we will repeat twice. To make greatest number, the greater number we will repeat twice. Then it will become 8-digit number. Okay. And question number 6 is give the number before. So before this number will be what? Sorry, 45,69,500. So before 45,69,500, before number will be what? So 500. Before 500 is what? The others will remain same. 45,69,499. So this will be the before number. And this question number 7 is give the number after. After this, what it will come? How much it is? 9,29,499 means after 499 we have 500. So this will be like this. This is the after, this is the before. Okay. So remaining questions, one only each question I am doing for you. The remaining you will do yourself. You do all the things in your school, make a school copy and complete all the exercise, whatever is done in the YouTube class or live class, and finish it. Okay. Thank you.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for self, live for family, live for India, let's make a change of COVID-19. हम होंगे कामयाब। जय हिंद।